Good evening all. Am I audible? Yeah, we Walt, good evening. Harshit, good evening. Okay, Manmeet. The live session will start at 6. It's now only it's 6, right? Okay. Sumit Kumar, good evening. Maunika, yeah, thank you for your response. Sarath, good evening. Yeah, Manmeet, good evening. Venkat, good evening. Okay. So, this is Indra from Pantech E Learning. So, today is our 4th day of this 21 days masterclass, right? So, yesterday we have talked about some basic Linux commands. You have registered for internship, but no one is responding to you, right? Okay, fine. I will convey this to your coordinator, but there is nothing to do with it, because when you are make your registration, they will send you a confirmation letter. That is the process. Actually, you will get everything after 21 days of this live session only. So don't be upset and don't be worried. I will convey this to your coordinator. You can talk to them, right? Okay. Have you got your confirmation letter after registration for it? Yeah. IH, good evening. Sabaj, good evening. Sri Krishnan, good evening. Sujit, good evening. Good evening all. Okay. So yesterday we had talked about all the basic Linux commands and how to use the terminal, right? Actually, there are few more commands that you have to know. Yesterday I didn't continue with that because I know that for the past 3 days the class is going after 1 hour. I know how you feel, so sorry for that. So hereafter it will be like in 45 minutes only. It doesn't go beyond that. Okay, so that's why I just ended up the class yesterday. So today we are going to talk about the remaining commands, and we can move to the next topic, which is actually today's topic, which is I will explain it in the upcoming slides, right? Okay. So are you all ready? Shall we start the session? So if you all are ready, please drop thumbs up emoji in the chat box, and then we can start with it. So yesterday I have the issue with the size, right? So here I changed to like this. I hope it will clear to you now. You can able to see it properly. Okay, shall we start? Are you all ready? Okay, so here let me list it first. What are the things that we have? Yesterday we have already sent the attendance link. We have pinned the attendance link. If you missed the attendance link yesterday, in the sense we can't provide it again. We posted the attendance link yesterday and we have pinned it, because you are the only one who are telling this issue, right? Okay, fine. So let's start. Okay. So here we are having the test directory. So we need to go inside that directory. How? cd test. So hit enter, and now we are in test directory. Let me list it and let's see what are the things that we have. We are having animal text file, dogs text file, and greetings Python program, right? So now we are going to create one more thing, but not in the test directory. Okay, so let me come out of it. Now we are in home directory. Here I want to create one more directory. So using mkdir, I want to create something like demo. Okay, so inside this, let me list it. And okay, so here we are having demo directory. Now let's go inside demo directory, right? Okay, so now we are in demo directory. Here I want to create one more text file, okay, which is nano like brands.txt. Okay, so let me hit enter. It will open the nano text editor over here. So here let me just give a few brand name. Let it be like Puma or Adidas or like Woodland or like Crocs or like Nike, something like that. Okay, so let me save it and let me cancel it. Okay, so we have listed few brands name over here, right? So now we have created one directory. Okay, so we have created one directory. Inside we have a file called nano brands.txt, right? Okay, ignite neuron, please be calm, right? You have registered for internship. After registration, they have sent you an confirmation letter. That is the next process. So what are the thing I have mentioned in the slide? I mean, what are the benefits that you have been get? Okay, don't spam the chat box, please. I'm watching your comment. Please don't spam the chat box. If you do continuously like this, I can't able to see the remaining members chat. It will be missed. So please don't do that and try to be understand. First step is if you want internship, in the sense you have to register for it. Once you registered, they have sent you a confirmation letter. That is the next process. And at the end of the 21 days live class only, you will get all the stuffs. I mean the recorded session, the PDF, everything. They will provide you all the steps after only finishing 21 days of masterclass. So now tell me, what's your problem? Okay, so please don't spam the chat box like this. I repeat, please don't do it, right? Okay, so now we have created one text file, right? So inside what we are going to do is okay. Ma'am, shall I join the internship by paying the amount today? Cause just now I come to know about. Yes, you can. I will explain about the internship in the upcoming slides and you can join. I mean, first you have to register for it and then they will send you an confirmation letter, right? Okay. Okay, so let me take the class fully. Let me continue with the topic, right? Okay, so now we have created one directory and we have created one text file called brands, and inside I have placed a few brands over here. Now I want to delete this directory because I don't want it anymore. Okay, I want to remove this demo directory along with the file inside. Okay, along with the file inside. So how to do that? See, for that RM for remove, dir for directory. Okay, so RM directory, I mean remove directory, I have to place that name. I want to delete this demo directory, right? So if I hit enter, it will throw you an error like this. What? Fail to remove demo, no such file directory. We can't delete it. Okay, why? Because it's having a file inside, right? Let me show you once again. We are having list of directories over here. I want to delete demo directory. See, directory is not empty. It shows something like that because we have created one file inside that directory, right? So we can't able to delete just like that. So what should we do in the sense? hyphen R for recursive, and then we need to we need to give some space, and then we need to place that directory name. If I hit enter and if I list it, you can able to see that the demo directory has gone now, right? So when you want to delete any directory but the directory contain any file inside, in the sense you have to remove it by using this one, remove hyphen R and then the directory name, R for recursive. Okay, so this is how you can delete directory along with the files inside. This will remove the directory along with the files. Okay, so now I want to list the test directory. So here we are having 3 files. So 2 is in text format and 1 is in Python program format. Python program. Okay, so I just want to organize this file. So how to do that? I want a separate file for text file, and I want a separate folder for Python file. So how to do that? I just want to organize it. So for that, first we need to create 2 more directories in the test directories. For that, let us go inside test directories. Here we need to create 2 more directory. Okay, so one is for text files. Okay, so another one is for Python files. I have created 2 directories. Let us list it. So inside, see, we are having 3 files and 2 directories. Now we are going to organize it. I am going to move the text file to the text file directory and Python files to the Python files directory. This is what we are going to do. So how to do that? For that, there is a command call. We are going to use that asterisk. This command. This is called anything command. So how to do that? We are going to use move. I am going to use anything command dot txt. So what does this mean? So move anything text file, anything that is in a text format, where I want to move. I want to move it to text file directories. So move anything text file to this particular directory. If I hit enter, is not a directory. Which is not test file, it is text file, right? Okay, let me change it, and if I hit enter, okay. It's not a directory. What happened? Just a minute. Text files. Okay. Okay, so let me come out of this. Let me dot txt file. I want to move this to text files. Okay, and if I hit enter, it's not a directory, it's actually a directory, right? Okay, so let me come out of it and let's see. I'm actually in test directory, right? Okay. Okay, so now let's try with this command. No such file directory. Oh, something happened. let us remove that file, right? So remove or text files. What happened to this? Just a minute. Let me list it. And we are having test directory. Now let's go inside test and let me list it. Now we are having 3 files and 2 directories, right? So here remove directory text files. Okay, let me list it again. Okay, we have removed it. Now remove directory Python files. So here I am using remove directory without using any recursive, because we are not having any files inside that directory, right? So we can directly do by this command if you are not having anything inside. Okay, so we have to create these 2 directory outside the text directory. I have actually created these 2 directories inside test, right? So let us come out of it. Okay, so now we are in our home directory, right? So here we need to create that text files. Now Python files. Okay, if I list it. Okay, so now we are having text files and Python files over here. So now let's move. So now I'm going to move anything that is in text format to the text files. If I hit enter again. Oops. Why it doesn't show anything like no such file directory? Okay, let us go inside test and let's find out what happened actually. Okay, so now I'm going to use the same command, which is move anything that is in text format to the text file. Okay, if I hit enter. Okay, fine. Actually we have to inside that text directory, because we are having that particular text directory inside this test directory, right? So we have to in the correct path. So make sure that you are already in the correct path. So then only we get something messy like this. Okay. So now we have moved anything that is text file in the text file directory. Now let's list it and see whether it is successfully moved or not. Yes. So now here we are only having greetings.py inside this test directory. There is anything in the text file format, because we have successfully moved that files to the text file directory, right? So now we are going to move this greetings.py file to the Python file directory. For that, same thing, we can use, okay, move anything that is in .py format to where? Python files. If I hit enter, okay, now list it, it should show nothing actually. Okay, so now there is nothing inside test directory. So now we need to cross check the files are correctly placed in that particular directory or not, right? So for that I am going to use list text files. If I hit enter, cannot access text file because we are in test directory. So we need to get out of it. So now list text files. Yeah, we are having animals.txt and dogs.txt files inside that text files. Now Python files, let's check. Yeah, we are having that Python file inside this Python file directory. So this is how you can organize your directories, and this is how you can move your text.file or python.file, something like that. Okay. So this is how you can use this. Now let's go for the next command, which is sort command. Okay, SORT. So this command will reorder the content of a file or the output of a command in a specified order. Okay, so for that we need to go for test directory inside it. So let me go inside my test directory. Okay, so now we already know that there is nothing inside test directory, right? So let me show you again. Inside test directory there is nothing because we have already successfully moved all those files to the different directories. So here what I am going to do is that I am going to create one more text file. Let it be topics.txt file. Okay, I am going to hit enter. Here I want to give few lines. So let it be machine learning and deep learning. What else we can give? Gen AI and let it be AI. Okay, so these are the 4 topics. I just randomly give inside that topics.txt file. Okay, so now let me list it. So now inside test directory we are having only one text file which is topics.txt. So here I am going to catalog it because I want to show it over here. Topics.txt. So it should print machine learning, deep learning, Gen AI and AI in the format that I have printed. Okay, so now we are going to sort this. So how to? For that I am going to use sort test. Inside we are having this topics.txt file, right? So if I hit enter now, what happened again? Sort test topics.txt. Okay, again. No such file directory. Why it's showing again and again? So let me list it. Okay, sort test topics.txt. This is the correct order, but why it's showing no such file directory? Okay, let's check it once. What if, yeah, we need to give the path correctly, right? So here see, it's actually printed all these topics in the alphabetical order: AI, deep learning, Gen AI and machine learning, right? So what if, just a minute. Okay, so what if I want the same thing in the reverse order? For that you can use the recursive symbol. Same thing like sort hyphen or, which is for recursive, and then you can pass test topics.txt. If I hit enter, it will do the same thing in the reverse order, right? So machine learning, Gen AI, deep learning and AI. This is how you can use this. Okay. So now let's come to the home directory. cd dot. Okay. So now let me list it. What are the things we are having? Okay. So we are having our Python file, text files and test directory also. Okay, so what if I want to find something? I remember that name, I remember that file, but I don't know that where that particular particular thing is present. I don't know the path. but I remember the name, but I don't know the path. How to find that? For that we are having find command. Okay, find command. Okay, so here we need to use the thing called name. We need to give a space over here like name, and then we need to give what are the thing that I want to search for. I want to search for topics.txt. I don't know where it is actually present, but I only remember the name. Okay, so if I hit enter, it should show the path. So here we can find inside home, inside Pantech directory, inside test directory, there is a file is present which is topics.txt. Okay. Okay, so now I just want to list out all the files that is present in the text format. I just only want to know what are the text files that are present in my directory. So for that I am going to use the same command, but instead of this thing, I am going to erase this topics. Here I just want to we need to give the anything command, which means find name anything that is present in the text format. Okay, so if I hit enter, it will show all the paths. So these are all the files that I am having in only text format. So here you can able to see home, Pantech test, topics.txt, we are having inside text files, we are having docs text, animals text, something like that. So if you want to search for something in the sense, you can give the anything, right? So you can find it just by using find command. Okay, so now what if you want to look inside a file, like if you want to search for a word inside a file, then we can use a command called grep, grep, which is global regular expression print. Okay, which is actually used for searching and matching text patterns in file. Okay, so for that we can use grep. I want to search like machine learning. It's actually in a text format, right? So if I hit enter, we should not give. What happened? Sorry. Machine learning. Let it be machine, and I know it's actually present in text format. I mean inside topic.txt we are having one word called machine, but I'm not sure. Oops. Something happened. Okay, so here we are having machine learning inside topics.txt, right? Okay, let us search for again grep machine topics.txt. If I hit enter, no such file or directory. Why? Okay, inside, let me check. Okay, so here let me check with that particular. Yeah, so I always forget to go to the correct path. That's why it always giving me like there is no such directory. So we have to in the correct path. Okay, so here I'm just remember the word mission, but I'm not sure what are the things that are present outside that, after that mission. So for that you can use grep. Okay, so it is used for searching and matching text patterns in that particular file. So I remember that inside topics.txt file there is something, but I don't remember about the content inside that. So if I give machine like that, in the sense it will fetch that particular name. We are having only machine learning. So if you are confused with, just a minute, let me show you. If I am giving uppercase M, so let me change it to lowercase and let's see what happened. It doesn't show anything because you are not sure about whether it is in uppercase or lowercase. You are not sure about that. Then in that condition, you can do like grep -I, which is for intersects, and then you can give whether it can be uppercase or it can be a lowercase. If I give like that, it will fetch you the thing. So this is how you can fetch something like this from the file, corresponding file. So this is all about the remaining remaining command line. I hope you understand all these topics. Is it clear, or do you have any doubts regarding this? Is this clear? Do you have any doubts regarding this? So if you have any doubts regarding this commands line lessons, you can ask me, because today is the last day of your learning about this command and terminal and all, because today itself we are going to move to the next topic. That's why I'm asking. Is it clear? Guys, is this clear? Okay, so let me tell you one thing. Unfortunately, we can't able to provide attendance link today, because we are going to provide today's attendance link in the tomorrow's session. So in tomorrow's class, you will get today's session and tomorrow's session attendance link. So those who are present today, please don't forget to fill your attendance in tomorrow's class, right? So today's and tomorrow's attendance link will be posted in tomorrow's live session. And sorry for this, today unfortunately we can't able to provide attendance link. So tomorrow you will get 2 attendance link. One is for today's class, another one is for tomorrow's class. So those who are attending today's class, don't forget to fill up your attendance, right? Okay. So once again, I want to share you this 1 month internship on Jetson AI. So we are extending this offer for few more days, just for 3 days, because so many of you students asked for the extension period. So that's why we have extended this offer for 3 more days. So in this internship, you will get 30 days of recorded session, 30 days of presentations, 4+ exclusive project codes, and you can join to the VIP community group, and you will get LMS access to 90 days, and you will get your confirmation letter which is IETE certified, and you can get weekly live sessions. You can clear your queries or doubt with your mentor, and you will get mock test, assignments and tasks, and at last you will get your internship certificate and participation certificate. So I have told you that today's attendance link will be posted in tomorrow's session. So don't get panic, and whoever attending the class today, please without fail come to the tomorrow's class and fill up your attendance, right? Okay, so the registration amount is 999 with GST. So this is the registration link. You can use this chance wisely, and the last day will be 27th November. So how to do the payment? While making your payment, don't forget to give your name, email address, mobile number, which department you are from, which institute or organization you are from, and the domain, and then the amount will be there. And you will be doing 4+ projects with me in this internship. So this offers end within 3 days. So use this chance wisely. And thank you all. Have a very great day, right? Okay, this is actually tomorrow's session. I supposed to take this today, but we are getting out of time, right? So tomorrow we are going to talk about how to program in NVIDIA Jetson Nano, right? Okay. I hope you like the session, and I will catch you guys at tomorrow's session. Thank you all. Have a very great day.